Hi there. Welcome to my studio. Come in and I'll show you around. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a lovely, bright, open space, and I'm so thankful every day that I come in here. The big area in the middle here is where I teach from, and I have 4 or 5 tables up every week, and we have 10 to 12 students, so it's very busy, as you can imagine. I've taken the opportunity to spread out a primary school commission that I'm working on. So that's what's happening here. If you follow me around, I've got a kiln, and then we've got the shelves that I stack everyone's work, all the students week to week, with all the tools that they need, the tweezers, the adhesives, the wood, the grout, everything you need to make mosaics. And then moving on here, we have all the glass tesserae, loads of colours for them to choose. And just below we've got all the broken china and scraps of bits and bobs that people bring in. And the very nature of mosaic is, of course, someone's disaster is someone else's beautiful artwork. That's the nature of mosaic. So moving on, we've got these shelves are where I have all my materials. So this is where I choose to work from. And then over here is my desk where all my work takes place. As you can see, it's rather messy. It's kind of how I like it. So just on the table behind, just draw your attention to some of my jewellery, which I have for sale on Etsy, and my shop is Sophie Robbins Mosaics. This is just a small range. I've got some hedgehogs and birds that I've been working on. And then in this corner I've got my kitchen area. It's all here, the fridge, the microwave, the kettle. And I have a sculpture which I made and I'm working on, which will be displayed in Sherwood Open Gardens 2021. And finally, the artwork that when I've made something, I hang it up and just have it on display. And these are just pieces that I've been working on for the last few years. So thank you for coming.